Hello everyone, today we are going to do a tutorial on this lovely line of floral doodles. The first part of this video is going to be me showing you how to create each of these doodles that will make up the line as a finished product. The materials that we're going to be using is very straightforward, a pencil, a Sharpie pen or a fineliner, and an eraser. And of course, a sketchbook or a piece of paper. So this is what our finished drawing is going to look like, and you can use this as a doodle in journals, paintings, greeting cards, or whatever else you'd like to use it for. I'm going to show you how to draw each of these components. We'll start with our pencil, and these are all relatively simple doodles. The first one is just a basic flower. We start drawing a circle for the center, and then a simple petal going all the way around. There's 7 petals on this particular flower. This next flower is also relatively simple to make. We start with the circle in the center, and then the petals are going to have a basic heart shape that go all the way around the flower. And then we just add some lines to make the petal a little more definitive. Our next doodle is a leaf. So we start with a line down the center, and then just at the top we do just some curvy lines going down, almost like an oak leaf. And the same for the other side. And then we'll just put some lines down the center of the leaf to give it some more detail. Our next doodle is a flower that's just sort of a mix mash of some heart shapes and some oval shapes. So we just start with the heart and then put another one right below it, and then a stem, and then just some oval shapes to fill out the flower. Our next component is a basic 3-part leaf. Quite simple, and we can adapt this to either just 1 leaf or 2 leaves or multiple leaves around the flowers, depending on how you'd like to design it. So you can practice these if you'd like to feel a little bit more comfortable with them, or you can jump right into the tutorial. So I'm just drawing a guideline down the paper to keep our floral motif in a straight line. So we're just going to start out with that first flower. It's just the basic petaled flower. Now you can put, 5 petals, 6, 7, 8, however many you'd like, just to fill it out. And we're going to add a few leaves around it. Next, we're going to do that curvy leaf. So we start with the center line, and then we just add the curves of the leaf around it. Our next flower is going to be the heart-shaped petaled flower. And we're going to do 2 of those, put them side by side. And we'll add a couple leaves to go with those. If the position of any of your leaves or flowers don't feel quite right to you, you can just erase them and redraw them. Next, we're going to draw just a very simple 3-pointed leaf, sort of an adaptation of the more curvy one that we did earlier. And we're going to add a couple more of the heart-shaped petaled flowers. Then I just added another jagged edged leaf. Now you could do the curvy leaf again, or any other leaf that you'd like to put in there. And then I thought that leaf looked kind of lonely, so I gave it a friend. Then I'm just adding a single leaf to add some variety. Then we're going to draw the plant that was a mix of the heart shapes and the ovals. And we'll add a few leaves around that one as well to balance it out. I decided that the bottom looked a little bit sparse, so I added a few more leaves just to fill it out. And time to add another curvy shaped leaf. And then we're going to finish this off with our basic flower that we started with at the beginning and just a few more leaves. Our next step is to take our Sharpie pen or fineliner and using the color black to outline all the lines that we just drew to make it stand out more. I'm going to speed up this part of the video so that way it's not taking another 10 minutes for you to watch me outline this. And the last step is to just take your eraser and erase all the pencil that is showing, just to make a cleaner drawing. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and please like, comment, or subscribe if you'd like to see more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.